January 12th, 2023. I lost a camera. It got swept away right over here and just was flooded by water. It's the first time in about 3 years that I've seen water flow like this through the canyon. Ah, what a bummer. I lost 2 cameras today. I did not know we'd have this much rain. And because of the rain, I couldn't access these areas because the roads were affected by the rain. So, off to quite a heartbreaking start for 2023. I mean, I was expecting some water, but really not this much. Jesus. Learned a hard lesson. Mother Nature telling me to wake the F up. To be continued.